Guam Regional Medical City Chief Operating Officer Gloria Long says the new hospital aims to provide quality specialty services on island.
Our goal is to focus on providing care on Guam that people don't have to go off island for.
And as completion of the new hospital draws near, here's a glimpse of what kind of specialty services the island can expect.
So for oncology as an example, there are oncologists here on Guam. We are providing a pediatric oncologist, for example. That service is not available on Guam. So we're hoping to be able to offer services for our younger patients. We're also hoping to offer a comprehensive program in a single location that includes chemotherapy, includes your evaluation, but also has radiation oncology and radiation therapy.
She says IMRT radiation services will also be available. Long adds while there will always be duplications between hospitals on certain services, such as radiology to labs, GRMC intends to have its specialized doctors on full time.
For example, we have a neurologist who's willing to do inpatient care. There is a neurologist who doesn't do inpatient care on Guam. So those are the kind of things we're trying to say, how can we help the people get an additional level of services that have not been available on Guam.
And while GRMC will be bringing board-certified physicians from all over the country, it also aims to hire local doctors as they become available. It was just last week when the Guam Memorial Hospital indicated its pathologist had resigned and accepted a position at GRMC. As for whether GRMC was intentionally recruiting employees from GMH, Long responds.
Guam's too small for us to say, oh, you can't have these employees.
She adds the new hospital has a tough time being competitive with wage and benefit programs offered by the government. In fact, she says 8 to 10 nurses have declined positions because the new hospital could not meet their pay standards.
So we have hired a few people. They had worked at GMH. They came to us for a different environment. And so that's what we offered them.
She says in total, GRMC has only hired 16 employees from GMH, 7 full-time and 9 part-time. And instead of competing, she says, GRMC wants nothing more than to work closely with GMH.
GRMC can't exist if GMH doesn't exist. We have to work together, and if there's ways we can share resources, if there's ways we can share information to help each other, then I think that's what we're going to be. Guam's too small for us not to share.
We should note that while the qualifying certificate awaits final approval, it does require that no more than 25% of GRMC's employees be from off-island. GRMC is looking to hire 450 employees, 70% of which are already filled. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Ken Quintaniza.